Okay, we're here at shodor.org, shodor.org/interactive/activities/tessellate. And here's the first screen. We're going to see what we have to do first. I'm going to switch this to triangle. I'm going to keep it at edit edges. Now watch what happens. I do something on this side of the triangle. What do you think is going to happen to the other side of the triangle? I'm going to change this up a little bit. We're going to move this so we can get a little bit better of a idea what we're dealing with. Gonna make it pretty crisp. The corners need to be crisp. They come together really nice. What kind of object could that be? Let's see how it looks tessellated. That's a nice tessellation. So we have one shape that's inverted with the other shape, and all of those corners are coming together really nice. That's what we want. That's what we want. Alright, now we're going to figure out how we print here. We go to this print icon down below. Find the computer that you're using and follow the directions. For this computer, I'm using a Command Shift and the number 4. Alright, what we're going to do first is we're going to mark off 20 centimeters by 6 centimeters. These are going to be the pages of our book. Now make sure when you mark, you do it in pencil and you have a white eraser with you so we can erase any stray marks that might happen. Okay, now I'm going to need to fold this in fourths. So what I've done to find out where the middle is, I went from one corner to the opposite corner in a diagonal. And I did it on the other side too. And where they crossed in the middle there is the very middle of our paper. Now I'm going to do this one more time where that line is, where the middle line is, on this side and this side. Now we know where the middle of that is. Now we're going to do it one more time. Now we know exactly where our midpoints are. Here, here, and here. So now I know where to fold. Now, I'm going to take that midpoint, make a line through it. And there we go, our 4 sections. Now, we get to use our bone folder. My bone folder is a bit dirty. Never use a dirty bone folder, they're washable. Let's wash this and we'll come back. Okay, to fold I'm going to need a harder surface. So, here's what we're going to do. Find that midpoint there. So you're right on that line. Get your bone folder out. keep pressure with your free hand and press down hard with your bone folder. Uh-oh, well look what happened there. I messed it up. It got a little bit off. That's the beauty of a bone folder. You can fix it quite easily. Line it up, go over again. You might need to bring some slack from over on the other side. And there we go. Perfect fold. Can't even tell that I made a mistake on there. Now we have a little bit of extra there. We'll just cut it off. That's why you're going to need your wide eraser. And there we go. There are our pages. A ½ inch from the first fold. Now, let's go ahead and do our cover. Okay, for our cover, I need to mark off about ½ inch for each of your ending squares. Now it's time to cut our cardboard. Now we just want our cardboard to be slightly larger than our paper. Alright, now to cut this cardboard we're going to need some pretty heavy duty scissors. This is just some Cheerios box. Alright, let's put them against each other and see how they look. Well, one's quite a bit larger than the other one. We can fix that. Alright, now we have all our materials here. Now all we got to do is do the drawing and glue. Alright, we'll go to the next step. Okay, now that I printed it out, I've gone in with pencil on one of them and then just kind of made a sketch of what I decided my object would be. The first one is going to be an elephant head. The next one is going to be corn. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start drawing my objects. What we have to do to draw, we're not going to draw it outright. We're going to do a graphite transfer, which means we're going to take our print, we're going to make as much graphite on there as we can. Just cover it over with a soft lead pencil. Doesn't have to be too much. It's going to have to be enough for you to see it once you do the transfer though. Alright, so I think we're about done. Now, I'm going to take our white paper, not that side, but this side. I'm going to fold the two ends over. Place this in the middle. You can kind of tell where the middle is here, just by feeling it. Alright. Now, okay, what I've done is I put tape here, put tape here, also place some tape in there. Draw on that, so I'll put it underneath. There we go. Place it underneath. Alright, line it up. Okay, now trace. Okay, now what we're going to do is untape everything, take this off, cut around. We're going to have to line everything up. Here we go. Lined up pretty good. And I'm going to pull this back. I'm going to find one that's pretty much in the middle there. It'll be that one. And we're going to trace it. Then we're going to do the same on the other side. Make sure you know which direction it was on. This part right here is all going to be black. This part right here is all going to be black. Oh wait, this part's going to be all black. This part's going to be all white. And this is going to be white. This is going to be black. So, what I'm going to try to do, we're going to make these smaller as they come closer. Once they get to about here, maybe one more, we're going to make it so it disappears altogether. We're going to use our brush. This brush is going to be our detail brush. Okay, here's what I've done. I changed it up a little. I decided I'd make the elephant side black and make the corn side white. Like that. It's all dry. Now what we've got to do is put it in our book. 2 pieces of cardboard. Put this aside for now. Don't forget to close up the ink. Alright. Alright, so ones that we marked. There we go. This side and this side. Right. Okay, so what I've done is I put the glue directly on our sheet. I'm going to use the tab to fill out all the non-glued areas. Start from the middle and go out to the corners and the edges. You get every single bit. Alright, looks good. There we go. For the other one. It's possible you might need more glue. And that's okay to use a little bit more. Make sure even the corners get some glue. I'm going to need more. What we're going to do next. Seconds off, you don't need it anyway. Put this off. This off. This off. This off. A little bit more. Almost to the very corner. Alright, that's good. Pull it in. Get a chance to use our bone folder. Alright. Careful where you're putting it. Put it in the glue. Alright, now we're going to do a little troubleshooting. My memory card came a bit full as I was doing that last part, so you didn't get to see it. What happens if you need to do it again? Well, you can take it off. What I did is I got my bone folder. I got a little bit moist. Don't get it slopping wet, you just need it a bit moist. I went and pried it open. Just pried it open like that. Being careful not to rip the white paper too much. Alright, so now that I got it off, let's put it back on. What we're going to do, we're going to get our glue. Put it directly on the back. Get our tab. Now I got a little bit of glue on the front side, so all I need to do is get my white eraser again, take it off, just erase that glue off of there. Alright, there we go. Do it again on this side. All the way to the corners. Line it up just right. You don't want it flush against this side right here. There we go. We have our accordion book. Last but not least, sign your name. And there it is.